The 2013 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control, tires, front, on-off road, tires, rear, on-off road, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, dual front airbags, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror, telescopic steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamp. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. Come take a test drive today.